But because Tinnacity worked right out of the gate, we actually were able to produce work for our customers on day one. It does raise all ships. Everybody gets better because they can see what good and bad is. I was just reporting to my superiors that we have an 89% first-time fix rate. Well, that's because we have better information to evaluate that. Yesterday, operation shut down. A large tractor-trailer truck driving on the main strip right outside the office hit 2 telephone poles and knocked out our power and our internet for the entire day. And W.D. Matthews continued operations. In fact, our nearly 50 field technicians didn't see a change in their operations at all. In that inconvenient circumstances, you can't plan for when somebody's going to knock out the power poles to your office. But the fact that we didn't miss any operations due to it because Tinnacity worked